gonna be alright. Cause my sanity is just a half flip. It's just a half flip away. Cause my sanity is just a half flip. It's just a half flip away. Cause my stressing out, can't think, same thing, just a different day. Long days, even longer nights. Why's life trying to pick a fight? Heartache, heartbreak. I'm too tired just.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently at the, I think I told y'all in the last clip that I was going to a esthetician to get my face together. I found her on Instagram, and I think her name is Whitney, but I don't want to say that's wrong, so I'll let y'all know after this. So I'm going here and I'm really excited. This is the first time facial service that I'm getting, so I don't really know what that all includes, but I'll let you guys know after I finish, because I think that's what she told me to do. She said for anybody's first time, just pick the first time one, so they can kind of like go over your skin, then you can talk about what works for you and your skin type and all that good stuff. Far as I know, I think I'm like normal skin, because I really don't get oily and I don't really get dry. I get dry like in the winter time, like on my nose, but my face, I don't feel like it's that dry, so I would say normal skin. But we shall see today, girl. We're gonna let the expert tell me, because I don't know. This shirt right here is like a SpongeBob shirt. Got Squidward and all of them on there. Girl, if you don't know who SpongeBob is, we ain't friends. But I got this from Target. I think it was like $10. I got this SpongeBob hoodie, because if y'all didn't know, I like SpongeBob. My sister actually gave me this from TJ Maxx. So if you guys have a TJ Maxx, maybe check it out. And it's got like SpongeBob and stuff on there. I got this Guns N' Roses shirt. Got it from Target. I got Boys in the Hood, which is from Target. Bob Marley, Target. And then I got like a Rugrats. Is this all Rugrats? Yeah. No, it's Nickelodeon. So it's got like Rugrats. I can't remember the other cartoon, Cat Dog, the Eliza Thornberry, and something else. I can't remember the cartoon, but y'all know what I'm talking about if y'all seen it. So I got this. All of those come from Target, I think. This one might have came from Walmart, so I don't know if I said that. Then I got these jeans from Old Navy, and they're just some plain blue denim type jeans, which I never wear jeans, so when I'm wear them, I don't know. I just got them because they was having a big sale. And then these are my favorite ones by Old Navy. I have like 2 pairs of these, and they're just like blue denim type jeans. I don't remember what the price of these was, but they were having a sale, like I said. And I think Old Navy is having another sale, because girl, Old Navy got sales all the time, so girl, catch you one. And these are my favorite ones. These are like light blue, and then they have like the distress on it, because I like pants that have like the distress all on it, and it's got like that on all of the front part of the pants. They just like this, and then like I said, the distress, and so I really like these. Really love these. I wish I would have got some more pairs, but I really love distress ones. So I also got me a facial steamer, and it's from Pure Daily Care. I don't know if y'all can see that. Camera, will you focus? Maybe not, but this is what it looks like. Okay, looks like this, and then you just put the water in here. It's also a towel warmer, a facial steamer, and a humidifier, which I did not know until I got it. Hopefully it'll focus. So that's what that looks like, you guys. So it's actually a 3-in-1. It's real nice, and you just take the top part off here to put the towel in there to have it warm. So nice, okay? So nice. I didn't open this stuff yet, but I got some, I think these are either joggers or like sweatpants, and they're just Old Navy pants in gray. And then I got a shirt with like pizza on it. Girl, I don't even know. I love graphic tees. If y'all didn't know, I'm a graphic tee hoarder, because that's all I wear. I got one that says staycation, because girl, I'm trying to go on a staycation. And then I got this dark blue, I think it just says USA on it. Real cute, real nice. Okay, so let's get into some PR. So I got this from Goddess Gang. I'm on their PR. I think I got on their PR like girl, I don't know, a few weeks ago. Okay guys, so I found the scissors. Again, this is from Goddess Gang, and I got on that PR maybe 2 weeks ago, something like that. So I'm just now receiving my package. So y'all can expect some looks with everything I'm getting. So it comes in this purple bag. I can't show you the front because it has like the address and stuff on there. I got some body butter and polo red. Then I got something else. I'm guessing it's like a glitter, but this is what it looks like. Period. And then, oh, I got a bunch of glitters. Ooh, I like this. You can carry it with you, so it's like your lip glosses and like the keychain holder. Girl, so cute. And then I got the lip color or the lip gloss in Egypt, which is really cute because I've seen it on her. So I'm really excited and I really like this. Even though I don't trust it because I feel like my lip gloss will still fall out, I still like the holder, girl. Okay, so we got some glitters. Okay. Starlight Drizzle. So this is Starlight Drizzle. Sorry, y'all. So this is Starlight Drizzle, and it's like this blue, dark midnight with a hint of like green. Then I have Africa, which is like a gold. Like a gold. And then I have Rose Gold Highlighter, and it's just a highlighter and it's like a rose gold color. And then I have Laster, I think that's what it's called. Lasher. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. And then I have a lip scrub sample in Citrus Sunshine, and it looks like this. And then I have some lashes in Shango. Look like this. And this is the name right here. And the lashes look like that. And then I have Love, which look like this. Really cute. Then I have an applicator in purple. And I also got a scrunchie, girl, that I don't never wear because I don't never put my wigs or nothing in a scrunchie. So thank you Goddess Gang for that. Then I ordered from my friend Call Me Tay Cosmetics. He has eyeshadow palettes. I think he has 2 eyeshadow palettes, a blush palette, a highlighter palette, contacts, brow pencils, brow pomades. Am I missing anything else? Lip glosses. So yeah, so this is his card if anybody's interested in purchasing. Again, I did purchase this with my own money. So yeah, got this. And yeah, he has like eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, girl, a whole bunch of stuff. And he always adding stuff like, I feel like every month. Not every month, like every few weeks. So yeah, I got me a brow pencil in the shade number 2. Yeah, no, number 5. Can y'all see that? Come on, camera. But this is what it looks like, and I really like how his packaging and his detail is really nice. And then I got a lip gloss in Baddie. So I got that, and then I got another lip gloss in Skin. I thought I only got 1, but that's cool if I got 2. No. Looks like they Skin. So I got that, and then I got some contacts. I never wear contacts, and these are in the color Sky Gray. I don't know how good y'all can see them in the packaging, but that's what they look like. And of course I have a video with me putting them on and stuff like that. So if y'all see me with some new pairs of eyes, that's where I got them from. And he always got a sale too. So if y'all go on his website, if y'all go to callmetay.bigcartel.com, or if you follow him on Instagram or his Facebook, he always posts his like different promo codes that you can use, and girl, save you some coin. Okay, Save you some coins, sis. Okay, so I ordered some from Amazon. Let's see what it is. I think this is that little charger piece. So yeah, I got me a Ethernet network adapter type thing for my computer, so I can plug like the Ethernet cord into this some girl for work that I needed. So I got this. And I didn't even put this back in the box. That bad. So I got that. Oh, and I got a package from Olivia Jane. This is also a PR brand that I'm on. She has let me start talking then, or just open this first. Because I hate when people are talking and then you can't hear them for the packaging open. I hate this little paper. So she has amazing lipsticks, lip glosses, all that good stuff. Like I love them. Okay, and her packaging is always cute too. So let me open up everything and then I'll show y'all what I got. So her company is fair. Let me show y'all that first because it looks like this. Because this is the packaging, and then it says love you on it. And it also says you're cute. Go, my camera focus. And it's really cute. So let's open this. So the box is really cute. Again, it is Olivia Jane Cosmetics. Then it has her Instagram on here. So if you guys want to go see everything, go on her Instagram and look. Olivia_Jane_beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And ooh, these lashes are bomb. She said these are the style Chloe, right? Yeah. Super cute. Super duper my lash. Wispy, not too thick, not too light, just perfect. Love her lip glosses. Like if you're looking for a good lip gloss that'll stay on, yeah, these are lip liner. I have the shade Badass and Madonna. So this is in like red. I'm assuming this is Madonna. Red, which I might probably never see me wear because I hate red lipsticks, but I'll wear them just to, you know, support the brand. And then this one is in Badass, so it's like this bubblegum like pink. Real cute, real nice. So again, real cute. Her stuff kind of reminds me like of MAC makeup type stuff, like the packaging. From what I've seen, I've never had any MAC purchases. I've never bought anything from MAC, but from what I see, it kind of reminds me of MAC. And she also sent me over a eyelash tweezer or applicator type thing. Oh, and then before I forget, my friend, well, not my friend, my sister actually gave me this glass. It's got Lilo and Stitch on there because me and her call each other Lilo and Stitch. She's my Lilo and I'm her Stitch. So my sister gave me that cup and I love it, girl, because I've been drinking out of it. I've been drinking my margaritas out of it. So another package. This is my workout pants. So if y'all didn't know, I'm trying to lose some weight. So I've got a membership at the gym and I've been going to the gym. So yes, I got 3 pairs of workout pants. They came in a set. So they look like these. And they're like this army kind. And then they have like pockets on the side. Hope you guys can see. Like it's like a pocket right here for you to put your phone or your earphones in. And I actually got me some earphones on Amazon that I'm going to order too. So stay tuned for another like haul video. But those are what they look like, really nice. I like how they feel. I found some earphones that are like AirPods, but better than AirPods from the reviews that I'm reading. They seem to be better than those. Then these are the black kind with like white on them. Real cute, real stretchy. I've never had compression pants is what they're called. And all of them have like little pockets for your earphones. I guess you put your money in there if you get stuff like in the gym because they have like vending machines. Not really vending machines, but you can get like purchase water and stuff. And then I have a black pair, same thing with the pockets, and the pockets are on both sides? Yep. So you have pockets on both sides of your pants. Let me come a little closer so y'all can see. So that's like the pocket. Am I next pocket? Yeah. So that's like the pocket, and you can put a decent amount of stuff in there. Girl. You can just look candies, little mint, not no candies, but some mints. So I got them. I think they were like $30, $29. I don't think that's bad. I just want to make sure they will fit. They're wrapping my shorts, and these are like the red kind, and I really like these. Now these don't have no pockets. And I didn't know that, but it's okay, because I'm going to wear shorts over top of them, so it doesn't really matter. But I got these and they're red, and they stretch really good, okay? And I really like them. I get that for dark skin. I don't know, girl, Amazon. So I got that. What is these? What is these? Replacing your battery. Oh, this is my charger for my camera. I mean, not charger. My remote for my camera, so I can take my pictures with a remote on my DSLR camera. That's what this comes like, girl. I didn't want this. What is these? It didn't have a battery on that. Like these. Hold on, let me see.
Wicked tones, you know what I'm saying? wicked tunes, you know.